Whenever we hear the word introvert, there are many negative underminings associated with it. A person described as such is thought of having something unsimilar with them. But the reality is that being an introvert could be a source of ultimate competency and realization. This video will highlight a typical day in the life of Kwabena, an introvert, a student at Ashesi University, a good basketball player and a passionate guitarist, whose colleagues thought he wasn't good at basketball and entertaining. But he proved them wrong to show them that being an introvert does not mean inability. Modern cultures and civilizations have long misunderstood the power of being an introvert, a world where the loudest or extroverts as we call them are praised and the silent listener's contribution is underestimated. In such a world, it is not easy for introverts to realize how wonderful they are. The world makes it look like they are insecure and shower extroverts with rewards. There is a difference in a society where everyone has something to say and no one listens. People seem to have their prejudice about introverts. Some say they are shy, others say they are antisocial. As for me, they are unique. For most of us who understand introverts, they are people who listen more than they speak and spend most of their time either being alone or with close friends, because a more interactive environment can be exhausting to them. Some people are 100% extrovert, some 100% introvert, and us, who fit between introverts and extroverts, the ambiverts. While in most cultures, extroverts are deemed the right fit, in other cultures, however, introverts are regarded as the knowledgeable and most endowed with wisdom. What we forget to notice about introverts are some traits that have helped most famous introverts like Albert Einstein, the brain behind the theory of general relativity, and J.K. Rowling, the writer of Harry Potter, to achieve some of the most wonderful works in the world. You are probably wondering what these traits are, right? The first trait is that introverts go through a long period of understanding themselves and even go through a hard time, but what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Through this constant self-analysis, introverts discover how they can think effectively, seek a deeper understanding of themselves, what they do and why they do it. Maybe the world could be a better place if we better understand ourselves. Unlike extroverts, introverts tend to have a meaningful purpose. Their decision making may be delayed, but they make the best of decisions in society. They mostly take time to analyze their decision and their predicted outcomes before finally agreeing on taking them. And when they make decisions, they tend to stick to it through thick and thin, which has helped most of them to materialize these hardly acceptable decisions into big business franchises and empires. Albert Einstein once said, "The monotony and solitude of a quiet life stimulates a creative mind." Most artists past and present are introverts. Introverts tend to be imaginative because of their quiet nature, which sparks their novelty. This is where they drive their creative force. For introverts to go deeper into their creative process, they have less need for social interactions. This enables them to stay focused and have time for what they do. If you want to make something people will see and go like wow, you need to forget the world and go solitary. This is where miracles are made. When introverts set their minds on doing something, they do not confront anyone to seek their ideas or opinions on what they are about to do, because the views from other people can be a standing block to them doing something great. This is why introverts tend to work alone. At this moment, you are probably wondering, am I an introvert or an extrovert? Well, I am neither of them. Most people see me as quiet most of the time, but sometimes too, I am loud, depending on the people I am interacting with and where I find myself. I am simply an ambivert. Just like Susan Cain said, our lives belong to us. It is better to do what we enjoy doing than doing what other people think we should enjoy doing. Let not the opinions of other people steal your joy. Introverts want a happy and simple life. Don't mistake their simplicity for their weakness. They just want to be alone. They are great. Let them be. Thanks for watching up to this point of the video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell icon and leave me a like. Have a nice day.